Oop, oop. A little unsteady. I don't know why it's not moving it over. Anyways, so I got 13 minutes to do this one. Alright, guys. So, folks, ladies, and gentlemen, not to be exclusionary. This time we're going to take a look at the Red Tune playing cards. And if I can read this, I do believe that says Stanbur, or maybe Stanbur. We'll see. I'll pull the foil off and be able to read it better. So that's what we're taking a look at here in a moment. Stay tuned. Alright. Welcome back. You know, sometimes I swear I don't think they expect people to actually open these, so they don't bother quality checking the tear tabs, but that was alright. We got it open. So yes, there is what the tuck box looks like. Let's see if I can get it to focus. There we go. Red Tune playing cards by Moise. United States Playing Card Company. I determined that these are all coming from Elephant Playing Cards, because I think I did all my 3011 cards last year. So again, there's the box. Guys are slippery ones, I tell you what. There's your Joker. Click something out of Persona. It's interesting that they have Ace, Ace, and Diamonds. And then... yep, and this one is the Ace of Hearts and the Ace of Spades. So you can kind of see the difference. One has the 3 of Diamonds flipped, one doesn't. It's kind of a neat trick. So I think these cards were meant as performance cards, like to be used in magic shows and whatnot. Because they're pretty basic, get some pretty cool embellishing, I guess, on the ace there. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm going to make it a tradition now. We'll get to the midpoint, that's when you get to see the back in person. There's your Jack. Pretty basic. Should turn off HDR for these. Basic, 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 basic. Very, very basic. Not entirely sure why I got these ones. They are fairly basic. But I think it was just the back, honestly. This back is pretty cool. Let's see, get the back up in there. I do believe, I'm going to have to go back and read some of the descriptions. I think there was a whole bunch of like little hidden things going on, and possibly a marked deck. I think that might be what's going on with this deck too. So yeah, basic, fairly basic. Yeah, there's your ace. Well, this is boring. I apologize, folks. Just that one card, and then you got a blank card and a double back card. So yeah, this was a performance deck for you magicians out there. I think the key, what's the word I'm looking for? Feature or draw for them is that Joker hat with the 3 of Diamonds flipped, and the fact that I think the backs are marked as well. If you know what you're looking for, you can tell what card it is by looking at the back of the card. So there's that. And hold one moment, and we will take a look at the Stanbur. We'll see. Hold on. Interesting note about this packaging: the cellophane is thicker and stiffer than anything else of the other ones that I've opened so far. All right, gently, a little zip through here. Here we go. Whoops, easy. I'm gonna have to get that from the other side real quick. There you go. Yeah. Ooh, rip. Literally ripped. Okay. Still can't read what that says. I think it says Stanbur Royal Playing Cards. Yep, Stanbur Royal Playing Cards. Come on, focus. Focus. Hello. Let me see if I can. There we go. Yeah, Stanbur Royal Playing Cards. I really like the box. The foil is pretty. I really like that back. There's a good shot of it. In fact, that might be the thumbnail right there. Thumbnail. There you go. You hold that for a few more seconds so I can really grab it. Cool. Anyways, sorry. Gotta like make things easier for me. Maybe I'll edit that out. Anyways, let's take a look at the actual cards. It's always so rough opening it first time. Here we go. Gently. There we go. And we are in. Oh my. I might have to mark this one. Not safe for work. Here is your Jokers. So there you go. These are definitely some colorful cards. I like the art. I'm trying not to just focus like straight on the. So yeah, we'll finish this one up with quite the show. There is the Ace of Hearts, I'm assuming. Stanbur Royal Playing Cards Limited Edition, and I cracked them open. Yes, I did. Don't judge me. There is your King, question mark? Looks like Queen to me. Queen. Oh, I can get the top in, there you go. You don't need to see the whole thing, you just need to see half of it. There is your Jack. And then into your number cards. Kind of some interesting detail in the background. Looks like a good parchment, like H parchment. And then of course your Ace of Clubs here. There is your King of Clubs, the White Rose, one of my favorites. Ah, come on, don't slide on me. That was a perfect frame, and then the card slid out of hand. There we go. There's your Queen. And the Jack ready to go to war again. There you go. Kind of looks like gave her black hair, look like Cara Dune. Alright. I'm sorry, shuffling through the numbers because they're boring, but the same parchment. Nothing really too much to write home here. Alright. So, as tradition, there's cut to the halfway through on the back. Kind of a nice embellishing. I like it. Basic, but not too basic. Very gothic. Probably why I bought these cards to begin with. Alright. Woo! Let's hear some comments about that one down below. But wow. I'm pretty sure she's like from a Disney movie? Question mark. And of course there's your Jack. Number card's fairly basic. I'm gonna zip on through them. Yeah, your Ace of Spades. I dig it. I like the border there. That's kind of neat. King. Okay, I think that might be my favorite Queen out of all of them. Although the eyes were a little weird on that. Her eyes are kind of like turned. And the Jack. There you go, folks. If you want a deck full of pretty Renaissance ladies, go get yourself the Stanbur limited edition, whatever the heck these cards were. Alright, well, appreciate you coming along on that quick ride. Apologize that the first deck was not more exciting, but we will have hopefully some more exciting decks in the future. And that second one, I kind of liked it, despite being slightly misogynistic. But I at least liked the art style, and it was kind of neat. Anywho, stay tuned. There will be more to come.